Hey guys, so we're out at the farm this morning, really exciting day. We're getting concrete poured for the shed today. We had the surveyor out yesterday, all passed. There's a little bit of water like I showed you last time sitting in the foundation holes. He just wanted that cleared out before they pour. But yeah, the concreters should be here in the next half hour to an hour. I'll set the pump up and pour the slab. So really exciting day today. I've just set up a couple of time-lapse cameras and hopefully we'll be able to show you that as well. So the holes have still got a bit of water in there. We've had a couple of good days with no rain. So you can see there, this is the sort of cut side of the slab. So you can see that's where the water's sitting. As you go further down the hill, there's no water in those corner holes down there. So there's 16 of those little foundation holes all up. They're about 450, 500 mil deep. So that just needs to be cleaned out prior to. But apart from that, all good. So it's all happening today. I got a call from the guy I get mulch off. They're working down the road here, not too far away. I got another 14 cubic meters of wood chip dropped off, and here's the next concrete truck turning up. So next concrete truck turning up now. I'll reverse down the road here. So this here is that's our road. So it's only a little single lane dirt road, and this is our driveway. But they will be going around the road and they'll all the way down the side, down to the pump. And then they'll pump into the shed slab there. Just here, the main driveway that'll lead down to the house. And I've got another driveway going in over the back, which will be for access to the shed, but also for the CFA to reach our water tank at the back. Anyone who doesn't have access to town water needs to put a tank in, and that tank needs to have at least 10,000 litres of water at all times accessible to the CFA. So if there's any fires in the region or anything like that, they can come in at any time, grab that 10,000 litres of water and go and fight fires in the area. That other driveway where the boom is now, that will be the access for the CFA if they do need to come in. Truck's just getting ready to back in now. It's a fair way to back around, but it's a pretty easy bit of road, a couple of bends in it.
today's video. Please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again next time with 20 Acres to Home.